to go now, and the race on Yellow Cat, the favorite, fast to begin, followed by Ferrari One Sweet Victory. Arrowhead is running by the row. Ferrari One, Arrowhead, Sweet Victory, Yellow Cat, and moving up by the row is Windy Wind, Tarzan Maximus. Dr. Choice by the row is Mr. Saber, and Hetty is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Arrowhead by about 2 lengths, followed by Windy Wind, Ferrari One, and running by the rally, Sweet Victory, Tarzan Maximus, the favorite. Yellow Cat is racing in 6th, and this time start to moving up, and rounding the far turn, Arrowhead increasing its marker to about 4 lengths, Windy Wind, Ferrari One, and on the outside, Tarzan Maximus with Victory, and Yellow Cat still running in 6th position as they race the last 300. Arrowhead in full throttle, this time by about 8 lengths, and nearing the finish line, scintillating run coming from number 2, Arrowhead. Second, Dr. Choice for 5th and 5th position, Pentafecta.